Good morning, my dear students. Welcome to my class. Students, in the last week, for the first 3 days, we were doing the explanation of the chapter number 1 of your English supplementary book, Footprints Without Feet. The chapter 1 name is A Triumph of Surgery. Then we took a break. The last 3 days of the last week, we did online tests and assignments. So now, on today, as it is Monday, we will continue with the remaining part of the first chapter, and the name of the first chapter is A Triumph of Surgery. Before we complete the remaining portion of the chapter, I would like to tell you whatever we have done in brief. We have read so far that Tricky was reached to the hospital for 14 days period. Mr. Harriet, who was a veterinary doctor, he took Tricky as Mrs. Pumphrey, who called. She is the owner of the dog. She called the Mr. Harriet, who is a veterinary doctor, that Tricky is not well. He is really not well. Then doctor knew that sooner or later Mrs. Pumphrey was going to call Mr. Harriet, and he took the doctor for 14 days. And as soon as they reached the hospital, all the other dogs gathered around the doctor. Tricky saw them, and then when doctor put him down, the other dogs then sniffed him, and they did not find him interesting, and they left him. When everybody at the food time, when everybody finished their food, Tricky went around looking at the shining bowls and also licked a few bowls. The very next day, an extra bowl was put for him, and the narrator was happy. The doctor was happy to see him running towards his bowl. Then he started getting better really quick. He did not require any medicines and started playing with the other dogs. The whole day he used to play with them. They all used to play with each other, bump into each other, walk over each other, and squash each other. All of the other dogs and accepted him as a family member, although he was very different from others because he was very well taken care by his rich owner, while the other dogs were not. He also used to fight for his meals with his fellow dogs, who were much larger in size than him. At night he would also hunt rats in the hen house. He was enjoying this period of time which he had never ever before. He was doing the things which he had never done before in his life. All this while Mrs. Pumphrey used to call more than 12 times a day to inquire about Tricky. Mr. Harriet used to avoid the questions about things which Mrs. Pumphrey gave when he was taking the dog to the hospital. But he told her that Tricky was doing very good and was recovering very fast. Mrs. Pumphrey then started to send few items. She started sending 2 dozen eggs every day for him, but Mr. Harriet and his partners would have to we would have 2 eggs each for breakfast. Then, to improve the quality of blood, Mrs. Pumphrey started sending in bottles of wine. Then it became Mr. Harriet's habit to have 2 glasses of wine before lunch and a few along with it. Then Mrs. Pumphrey started sending brandy. At that time, Mr. Harriet was not able to believe that Mrs. Pumphrey actually wanted them to give brandy to Tricky. He just couldn't believe that she's sending brandy and she wanted them to give brandy to Tricky. They shared it amongst themselves. Some days Mr. Harriet used to feel very happy as he would start his day with extracts, then he would have a glasses of wine in the afternoon, and then ending the day with brandy in the evening because of all the things that were being sent for Tricky. And all these things brought the temptation for Mr. Harriet to keep Tricky as a permanent guest at the surgery, means at the hospital. He really wanted that Tricky should stay with them forever, but then he realized that Mrs. Pumphrey, who was like a mother to Tricky, she must be suffering, and he realized her suffering and she was really suffering and really wanted Tricky to come back soon. After 15 days, Tricky was ready to go back home, and Mr. Harriet called up Mrs. Humphrey to come and pick him up. Within a now, so far we have read up to here, my dear students. Now we will read further. Let's read further, and I will send you another audio clip. We will continue in that audio clip.